United 2002, roger. And the SkyWest that's on, or Air Wisconsin on Bravo at Alpha 1662, what's the call sign there that just got hit? Okay, Wisconsin 6209, hold your position. We'll be back with you in just a moment. And the Sky 5328, hold your position. I'll get you moving shortly. United 2002, you keep going Alpha 13, Bravo 1, and November.
Alpha 13, Bravo 1, November, 2002.
American 1277, American 450, monitor the tower 120.75, November 508, Sierra Alpha 120.75. Everybody else stand by. We're switching controllers. We'll be with you. Just had an airplane accident.
My Wisconsin 6209, do you need any assistance? I believe it's Wisconsin 6209 that got hit by the bus, so do you need immediate assistance, fire, or anything like that? I know we got to get out to you, but do you need anything immediately? Alright, take you, and are you able to move if we want you to? I got to find out from the guys behind me, but are you able to?
That airplane that was hit, they got a bunch of spots in
Wisconsin 6209, the United Bit just went by. You said there's a whole bunch of fod in front of you. Don't move. Don't move. Just hold there. I want you to contact Wisconsin 6209. Contact the ground frequency of 119.25. That's 1925. You're going to have a dedicated line to talk to you. United 2002, are you up?
Yeah.
Nope. All right. Now my SkyWest is stuck behind the Wisconsin 6209. I believe that's 5328. You're right there behind the eagle-colored RJ at Alpha 16, correct? It's a tight spot. What are the odds you can make a 180 there and I can get you moving? That's your discretion. Do you think it's something you can do or no?
You can give it a shot.
SkyWest 5328, yes. You want to make the 180. Do you see where the aircraft is ahead of you? You can make the 180, then when you turn back around, I'll get you out of there. But that is your discretion if you feel comfortable making that. All right, thank you very much.